Welcome to AutoCAD 101. If you've never used CAD before, start here. We're going to explore some of the key items in the workspace. When you first open AutoCAD, you're going to see the Start page. Here you have the most recent drawings, which you can toggle between a list view and a grid view. You can also open up previous drawings on the left-hand side, or start a new drawing with the default template. Along the top, you have some quick access tools like Save and Print. And you also have things like the AutoCAD Assistant, which can be extremely useful if you're getting to know AutoCAD. The File menu will also be familiar to you because it's the same as most other programs. And we also have at the top the ribbon, commonly miscalled the toolbar, where you can access some of the key tools. This is pretty much the same as Microsoft Office, as Google Docs. You can just click and you can access these tools. You also have these things called palettes. You'll see that I'm toggling this on and off. They have a set of commands and you can turn them on and off based on the commands. Some appear in context. The current one we're looking at is the Properties panel. This provides you with property information for the drawing itself when nothing is selected, or an object when you select it. You can also change the properties of the selected object or objects by editing them in the panel. Dependent on the object selected will depend on what is displayed in the Properties palette. You can also click the strip of all palettes and drag and replace them on different locations and even onto a second screen. They also have an auto hide function. At the bottom, you can switch between model space, which is where we were, and paper space. We will cover this more in a later video. Additionally, you have the status bar at the bottom, where you can quickly toggle some of the key settings on and off. And you can customize what is displayed in the status bar. And at the bottom, the most important item, the command line. This is the holy grail of CAD. It will tell you what to do, and it will allow you to tell CAD what to do. If you're ever stuck and you don't really know what's going on, look at the command line and it will tell you what to do next. If nothing is happening, just press enter. You always press enter, you'll get to the next step. You can also press escape. If things are going wrong, you can never do wrong by pressing escape. So just hammer enter, hammer escape, and get used to looking at that command line. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications, it really helps me out. It also lets you know when the next lessons are becoming available. Additional resources are available, including PDFs, DWG files, reference documentation, and exclusive videos. Please see the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.